Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Legal words are used. Start. The Chief Justice of Pakistan said that steps should be taken to upgrade judicial officers' competence and professionalism aimed at enhancing their performance to clear backlog. Full stop. The Chief Justice said this on Saturday while addressing the certificate awarding ceremony on the conclusion of training course for directly recruited additional district and session judges from the province of Punjab held in the auditorium of the Federal Judicial Academy. Full stop. The acting Chief Election Commissioner, Director General, Federal Judicial Academy, and senior officials of the Supreme Court and senior advocates participated in the ceremony. Full stop. The Chief Justice of Pakistan said, I emphasize the fact that we are in need of improvement and restoration of our legal and judicial system. Full stop. Nothing can be more authentic to establish that doing justice is the most difficult function. Full stop. The message implied is that fair administration of justice is necessary for our survival as a civilized society, and as we understand that nothing can be more rewarding. Full stop. The Chief Justice said that we are in need of improvement of our legal and judicial system. Full stop. This can be brought about by improving in the work attitudes of legal and judicial officers. Full stop. Judges will remember that the judiciary does not exercise a sword to be effective, and the moral authority of your dispensation will come only from the quality of your judgments and judicial decisions. Full stop. We are in dire need of making efforts to increase our efficiency and productivity. Full stop. It must always be remembered that the primary function of the district judiciary is the administration of justice. Full stop.